In this video, we will discuss how to convert a SIMPL Windows program from using a processor appliance to Crestron Virtual Control. Crestron Virtual Control has supported using SIMPL Sharp or C# for Crestron from day one. Now, Crestron Virtual Control also supports running SIMPL and SIMPL Plus. There are some differences between Crestron Virtual Control and an appliance control processor such as a Pro-4 that you need to keep in mind. An appliance processor has built-in communications such as CrestNet and Serial, as well as relays and other I/O ports that are not part of a server-based Crestron Virtual Control system. These ports can still be used by adding hardware to deliver those ports to our program using the network. We can regain the Serial, relays, and CrestNet easily by adding the proper devices. This means the program must be modified to use network-based hardware ports instead of built-in hardware ports. You will need to select the Ethernet-only 4-series hardware definition for the processor used in the existing program. We will open an existing SIMPL Windows program and upgrade it for use on Crestron Virtual Control. Click on the configuration view and click on the processor. Right-click and select the Replace option and choose Ethernet Only 4-series. When prompted, accept the default logic. You will need to review the changes to make sure no existing code is lost. As we can see here, SIMPL Windows added devices to replicate the hardware inputs and outputs that were on the processor. Next, we will add an Ethernet device information extender as an example. On a processor appliance, such as a Pro-4, you can use the inputs on the left to change network settings. In Crestron Virtual Control, the inputs do not function for changing settings, and you can only use this device extender to read information about the network settings. Any SIMPL Plus modules used in your program must be able to support 4-series. If they do not, this will cause compile errors, and compiling will fail. Be sure to check your SIMPL Plus modules and upgrade them to be able to support 4-series if needed. After we compile the program, we get a pop-up window asking if we want to load it to a processor or a server. Choosing the server option here will ask for IP information and take you to the Virtual Control webpage for uploading. Next, we will upload the program to Crestron Virtual Control. We can now point the X panel at the server, entering the IP address, IP ID, port number, and room ID information. We can see here our program is functioning. We have now successfully converted a simple program that was originally made for a processor appliance over to an Ethernet-only 4-series for use with Crestron Virtual Control.